The case of accused killer Karen Read went before Massachusetts' highest court today. The justices are trying to decide whether some of the charges against Read should be dropped. Our David Bieniek was there. He's now live at the Adams Courthouse in Boston this afternoon. David, good afternoon.
Hey, Ben, good afternoon to you. Yes, the 7 justices on the Supreme Judicial Court had a lot of questions here today about exactly what Karen Read is asking them to do. Here's the backstory. After Read's first trial ended this summer in a hung jury and a mistrial, her defense lawyers said that they were in touch, directly or indirectly, with 5 of the jurors. Now, those jurors told the defense the entire jury had agreed behind closed doors that Read is not guilty on 2 of the 3 charges, including that second-degree murder charge for the death of her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe. Now, Read's defense told the justices today that the trial court judge, Beverly Cannoni, should have anticipated such a possibility and should have asked the jury if they had a partial verdict before letting them go home.
There's no evidence in the record she considered any option except to declare a mistrial. That contradicts the clear jurisprudence of this court.
Might a different judge have reached a different outcome here? Perhaps. But the judge's determination here, which is owed some deference, if not an abuse of discretion, was not outside the range of reasonable outcomes.
Now, Read's defense wants the original jury brought back to the courthouse in Dedham and questioned about whether they had agreed to any of these verdicts. If the justices agreed to that, well, that could lead to some of the charges against Read being dismissed before she goes on trial again next year before a new jury. Live in Boston, David Bieniek, WCVB News Center 5.